So on this example here, I'm going to be working off the lead. As you can see, I've set the threads here, and our email composer is below. So in this particular example, I've just had a new incoming email. So I have my alert in the top right and the bold label for the email there. So I've sent myself an email saying please label. I'm going to show you how you do that. So it's really simple. You click the drop down option here, add label. This particular one, I've created some custom labels here. Say this particular email was from a lawyer. I can select that. That would add the green label there. This is how I wanted to label different the previous email before that. There's no problem at all. Say that one was from the claimant. Might label it like that as well. So it's going to keep them all nicely segmented. What we can actually do from there is let me show you how you actually build those labels. So the top left here, thread labels. As you can see, these are the ones that I've done earlier. We're going to create a new label. So this say this was for sales team. Maybe we'll select this color here, and that's going to become available there. So when I go back to the lead, take this particular thread communication here, I'm going to add a label, and there it sits, sales team, and that's added there. Thanks very much for watching. Really simple to add labels to your thread communication, and that's going to improve your organization. Thanks very much.